Welcome to Unboxing Monday. You thought I wasn't gonna do it, right? Wrong. All right, so this is a box of goodies that I purchased. And I'm super excited. It's the first time I've purchased from this vendor, but it's things that I needed and that I wanted to kind of explore. I took a private styling class, and this is the vendor that was recommended to me. It's from Pinz, P-I-N-Z-E. So I'll just put my invoice over here. You don't need to know how much I spent. But this is what I love. Okay, so I needed to get you know what? This is what I love. I didn't order these, but these are the gift. These are like a gift with purchase. I got me some false lashes if I need them. These are cute. And how awesome, I love this. This fills my heart. I mean, who doesn't want a sticker of a beautiful queen and the person they're doing? Okay. So, I ordered, Bobby pins, I ordered a bunch of different things. Oh my God, yes. I needed to get, oh my God, so many stickers, I love that. Let's get rid of that box. Okay, so these are hard to find. These are great rollers that I use for wigs, that I was advised to use for wigs. So I wanted to get just a set so I can give them a try. I ordered 4 different sizes. So I'm super excited to utilize all of those. And you'll see later on, I'm using these to do for styling for, like a vintage 40s wave, a vintage 40s pin-up, and some ethereal waves. But I ordered also a bunch of different wigs. I ordered a pale blonde frost, a platinum white, and everybody's favorite, a 613. If you know, you know. 613. It's kind of standard. It's go-to. It's kind of a benchmark. It's kind of what you set your standard on. 613. I cannot wait to try these. How much you give me if I use these right now today? I love them. Thanks, Bobby Pinz. Look at that. I'm looking forward to this unboxing. Come on, wire mesh rollers. Who knew? Bobby knew.